Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a beautiful example of a Range Rover Evoque. This one is an autobiography, so in terms of the specification that is available on Evoque, this is the very top. Now, fantastic specification on this car. Santorini Black is the paintwork that this car is finished in. Looks beautiful, particularly with the autobiography signature. We get that rose gold lettering. Of course, with it being a dynamic, the nice burnished copper accents on that sweeping dynamic bumper. It is a D200, so that's 2-litre diesel, 200 brake horsepower, and coming round to the sides, one of the better alloy wheels on Range Rover, particularly are the autobiography wheels, which are diamond turned and look absolutely fantastic. 3D surround camera on this car. We will see it on the front, the mirrors, and that gives us that nice bird's eye view when we do come to park the car. Keyless entry, deployable door handles being signature to the Range Rover brand, privacy glass, and coming right round to the rear, of course, on the autobiography we will receive a powered tailgate. Now, plenty of room for the Range Rover Evoque. It is classed as a compact SUV, but lots of storage space in there. Mats, of course, it is an approved vehicle. It will come complete with those. Tether and pointer clamp stuff down, bit of storage space underneath there as well, should you need that. Stash anything, hide anything in there. But looking round inside the car, we do have a full ebony leather, so very much a black theme going right round the car. Lots of leg room for the rear occupants as well. Very comfortable sat in the back of one of these cars. And we've even got Meridian surround, so which sounds absolutely fantastic if you are into your music. Lots of adjustment in those electric seats, so we've got bolster support, lumbar support, as well as being able to move it. And then we do have memory functionality that'll save us in an electrically adjustable steering wheel, which will also save with the memory. Now, 11,195 miles. It really is in its infancy, this vehicle. We have got the likes of our heated steering wheel, paddles at the rear, auto lights and wipers, and that digital dashboard, huge, fully customizable. We can have our map on there, see what we're listening to, as we can see on there. And with it being a later model year of Range Rover Evoque, we've gone away with the dials, huge infotainment system, dual zone climate control on the vehicle, really easy to use as well, heated seats, heated windscreen on the car, navigation to be expected, phone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which are some of my favourite features on the car. And with it being an autobiography as well, we do actually have a clear view sight rear view mirror. So that's 15 degrees wider than our typical rear view mirror. Really handy if we do have rear occupants in the vehicle or if we've got luggage right up to the top. And just looking below that infotainment system, the nice finish of the wood veneer on here, which is signature again to the autobiography Evoque. Wireless device charging, automatic of course, twin cup holders, an adjustable armrest, which will give us some more storage space between the two front seats. And if we're looking up ahead, not only do we have a suede cloth headlining, we do have a fully panoramic roof, and that is a sliding one as well, so it'll open right up. So again, this is a D200 Autobiography Range Rover Evoque. Now, if you've got any further questions on this vehicle or like any further information at all, my name is Sam. You can contact me on 01642 644 444. Thank you.